Welcome to our Isoko language class. In our previous class, we counted the numbers 1 to 10, and today we are going to start from them. We start from Ibe. Some people call it just Ibe. If you say Ibe or Vo, it means 10 once, correct? Then Ibe Gbovo, 10 and 1, 11. Ibe Gbive, 10 and 2, 12. Ibe Gbesa, Ibe Gbene, Ikpe Gbiso, Ikpe Gbezeza, Ikpe Gbire, Ikpe Gbere, Ikpe Gbizi. That Ude. 20 is Ude or Ikpe Ive. Ikpe Ive or Ude. But generally and most popularly, it is Ude. I hope you learned something. Why not recite them and see you in next class? Masai Isoko microphone. See you. We'll see in the next class. Speak fluently. Try them out, you and your children and your friends and your spouse. And the Lord bless you. See you in next class.